For ISC Computer Science, Karnaugh Map is one of the very important topic in the upcoming objective examination. Also, there will be few questions based on that. Karnaugh Map or K-Map is a graphical method of solving the Boolean expression, which can be solved in one of the two ways, either in the form of sum of product or in the form of product of sum. The advantage is that the expression, the Boolean expression, can be reduced to a certain extent, and we'll be having a shorter expression of the longer canonical or the part given to us. Let's talk about how to make use of Karnaugh maps. We need to prepare the truth table. We may have 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variable, or n number of variables being used in the case of Karnaugh map, but for the sake of ISC examination, in our course we have 2, 3 and 4 variable schema. Now we'll be filling ones or zeros as per sum of product and product of sum. We'll be marking the octet first, followed by chords and pairs. So there are 3 different techniques to group the variables in K-map. Either we can group 8, which is octet, 4, which is chord. We can group them into 2, which is a pair. If nothing is possible, then take singlets. The important terms are overlapping, means one pair or chord or octet can be overlapped with some other pair or chord or octet. There should be no redundancy, that is, there should be no repetition. That if you have already selected one octet, then you cannot frame other chords or pairs inside them. There's a possibility of rolling the K-map, that is, going from one corner to another corner to select the map. So these were the 3 basic things what we need to keep it in mind at the time when we are going to make a Karnaugh map. So let's go to some practice questions. The questions will be based on this category of table. So we must know how to draw this. Let's see, starting from 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. Why have we changed this? Because of the gray code or the Hamming distance technique, that we are not going to change 2 variables at one point of time. That is why we'll be using the concept of coding 0 followed by 1. 2 will come at this place and 3 will come here. Similar case goes at this place also. That is why we have, instead of 8, 9, 11 and 10, we have 12, 13, 15 and 14 first. This is question number 1. This is what we should draw first, along with the variable names given. Now if the numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 11 and 15. So let's fill 1 at those places. After filling 1 at these places, we must try to select in such a manner that first and foremost we should try our level best to get 8 ones together. If not, then 4 ones together. If not, then 2 ones together. If nothing is possible, then take singlet. So this is what we have. So this is my chord 1. When we'll do map roll, this will go as chord 2 and these will be our pairs. Let us see. Now there are 4 different options available to us. Now we are supposed to select one out of the various possible answers. So in this case, as we know that we have something like 2 chords, 2 pairs. So A option suits more to this, 2 chords and 2 pairs. We need to do a bit of working and rest. The answer will be in front of us like this. Let's talk about the next K-map. The numbers are these 0, 1, 3, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 15. So let's fill, since it is sum of product, so let's fill ones at this place. Here it goes. Now let's practice grouping. After the grouping part has been done, we can see that we have 2 chords and 1 octet already selected with the green border. If we talk about the available options, then these are the 4 available options given to us in the question. So we just need to find that appropriate option where we have one answer in single term. So these are the 2 places where we have one answer in single term. It means option number C and D goes wrong. So after a bit of working, we'll come to know that the correct answer given to us is option number 1. Option number 2 you can directly eliminate, as the expression given is not given in the way in which the sum of product should be given. Let's go for something like product of sum. In the case of product of sum, we are going to have zeros in place of ones. If we select this, if this is my question, the question says that we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 and 14. So these are the numbers where I am going to fill zeros. Okay, the zeros are filled somewhat in different manner in the video. Now let's try to make groups. If we try to make groups, 8 possible? Yes, very much possible. If we talk about 8, then what are we supposed to do is, we are supposed to roll the map like this. Now 8 is possible and 4 is directly possible at this place. So let us see the working. Here it goes. So we have 1 chord, 1 octet. So now we have 4 answers. In the case of MCQ examination, we need to select one. So we must have that one where we have one answer in single term. So means this goes wrong. The answer should be given in the form in which we have a product of sum. So this is sum. This also goes wrong. So the answer of chord will come in 2 terms. So this is an answer of pair. This also goes wrong. So here is the correct answer. Although we should solve full key map to get the complete answer set. Another question. Now at this time we have 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 10, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So we must place zeros at the place where it is given, where the numbers are given, and rest of the places can be filled with 1. Let's try and group together. The grouping says that we must take 8 at one time. 8 is not possible. 8 in this case is not getting possible. So what do we have is, we have an option of this group as number 1. Let's make these 4 together, number 2. These 4 together, number 3. These 4 together, number 4. So number 6 is involved at all the places. Hardly matters. This will be an overlapped one. Now we have one double set, that is a pair is left. So we are going to have 4 different chords and 1 pair. Let's segregate the answer. So at the time of segregation, we come to know that once again we have product of sum. So over here, this is not product, it goes wrong. We must have answer in such a manner that one term is coming in 3, one answer is coming in 3 terms, another 3 are coming in 2 single terms. So this goes wrong because here there are 2 options with answers are in 3 terms, that is in the form of pair, which is not available. So we have options available to us are that of A and D. So after a bit of working, D goes the correct option. We'll try to share more videos on the K-map. All the best for the upcoming examination. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel for more updates.